How's it going? Tucker here from Contemporary Automotive. And one of the nicest features about a new car or truck is that paint. The paint, when you're looking at it right when you pull into the drive for the first time, you want to keep it that way forever. And one of the questions we get here a lot is, how do I keep that paint looking as good as when I just bought it? Another great thing you should be doing is keeping it waxed and polished. We do offer these features here. We can wax and polish your car here at Contemporary Automotive, or if you want to do it at home, it will just help to keep out any dirt or debris, keep that paint sealed up so that it doesn't fade and scratch easily. So the last option you can do when you're buying a car, new or used, is add on a protection package. This is an option we offer here, and we will put on similar to a wax, but it will be better, it will be more, it will last longer, everything like that. Interior and exterior, and it just ensures that it keeps the car looking fresh from the factory, and you have a warranty back, which will back you up until a certain amount of damage. We know that cars are some of the biggest investments, and you want them looking clean, you want them looking nice and fresh. So if you have any questions at all, feel free, give us a call, come on in, schedule time with service, anything like that. Contemporary Automotive over in Milford, New Hampshire.